52, goal for year 2, preventing divorce or breakup. Can you list 3 things, each of you, that you need to improve? What do you need to improve in order to prevent breakup? What do you need to do in order to strengthen the relationship? You know the things that you do that don't please your partner. Do you need to stop doing something? Do you need to do more of something? Appreciation, affection, effort, sex, cleaning, talking, listening, etc. All right, and now, congratulations, you did a full year. I have a few more, but you've made new habits. You've evaluated your relationship a few times. You've kept yourself honest with talker listener, and you've started the sacred sexuality workbooks. Those will take you a while longer. You can always come back for a refresher to this. Let's take this time to pat you on the back. Well done. Hey, that was a lot of work, a lot of effort. And while we're not expecting perfection, we're expecting progress, and you did that. You made progress. Well done. Week 53, our first child. Parents and partners, help us balance. Think back to the first child you had and how ready you were to balance being parents versus partners. Talk about those memories and see what still needs healing from that period of the relationship. Think about how you're going to keep growing together as a couple. One way many couples do it, especially successful ones, is by reading the books together and talking about them. Let me suggest a few authors. John Gray, Deb Tannen, David Deida, D-E-I-D-A, the book After the Affair, the book Hold Me Tight by Sue Johnson, Emotion Coaching by John Gottman.